Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Srayan Bose, and today I am going to talk about the primary diesel mainline locomotives of India. I shall start with the WDM, the wide diesel mixed traffic locomotives of India. Of these, the WDM-1 was the first mainline diesel engine of India in 1957. Newer WDM models came up like the WDM-2, WDM-2G. The WDM-3 had one side smaller than the other. The last mixed traffic engine designed was the WDM-7, which is today used for shunting only. India first got its diesel passenger locomotive in 1995 when the WDP-1 was introduced. WDP stands for Wide Diesel Passenger, but the WDP-4 class mainly operates them now, like the WDP-4A to 4D. The WDG is the primary dedicated goods diesel locomotives of India, wide diesel goods. It was around 1995 that India got its dedicated good locomotives, the WDGs, and the WDG-1 was the first among these. The WDG-4, the WDG-4D, and the WDG-5 are the modern Indian freight locomotives. But what about shunting? The Indian Railway has used some small shunters like these since the 1950s. Larger engines like the WDS-6 are taking the lead today, the wide diesel shunting 6. So once again, dear viewers, thank you for watching. I am Srayan Bose from Shantiniketan. Hope you enjoyed and have a good day.